Hey, it's me again. Welcome to the Teleblog channel. I hope you've been waiting for a new video on the channel, so here we go. In my previous videos I told you about a lot of different, cool and very important, unique features of Telegram, which by the way other messengers don't have. You can find all the links in the description box. And today we will continue discussing a few more amazing tricks in the Pavel Durov's Messenger. Highlighting a part of a text. The recent Telegram update for mobile platforms introduced a very useful feature. Now any user can select any part of the message, copy it, search for it, or share it. It's super easy to do. First, find the post you want and a fragment that you want to highlight. Long tap on it, then tap on the part you want to highlight. It's very simple and straightforward. You can then copy or forward the text to anyone you like on Telegram. It's super convenient. You don't have to, for example, share an entire message with the person, but only send them the phrase that you like. It also works the same way on Android. 2. Customized themes. In the past, Telegram couldn't offer different options for changing its design, but now the Messenger gives you a lot of options for customization. You can not only choose between ready-made themes, but also create your own by customizing the appearance of each interface element. To open the theme editor in Telegram on iOS, go to Settings, then Appearance, click the plus sign in the upper right corner and select Create a new theme. By the way, you can also play around with ready-made themes in the Messenger. Tap twice on the theme you like and open the submenu where you can change the colors, the background, the gradients, and moreover, with the new update, you can add an animated background if you want to. 3. Adding a video timestamp. I'm sure it's not quite clear what this trick is from its name, but I'll explain it to you now. I know that all of you like sharing YouTube videos with your friends and family, and sometimes, or maybe even often, you want to share a specific moment in that video and not the whole thing. For Telegram mobile platforms, you can tap on a timestamp and it will play the video from the right spot. It's easy to do. Copy the link to the video and in the captions with the same link, add a timestamp. The format is minutes and seconds, just like you see on the screen. You can also add more than one timestamp if you like. And so when the user gets this, they don't even need to open the YouTube app. The video will immediately open in Telegram from the right spot. Isn't it amazing? I think it's a very cool one, so give this video a thumbs up please. Do it right now and we're moving on. Read it all. If you happen to have a bunch of unread messages in channels, groups or chats, it's easy to mark them as read with just a few taps. If you have your folders set up, go to All in the left corner of the screen and tap Edit. Then you will get the Read All button at the bottom left corner of the screen, so all you have to do is tap on it, and it will mark all the texts as read. I didn't find this feature on Android unfortunately, but you can do it in a different way. First, select the chats with unread messages, then tap the dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Mark as Read. That's it. 5. The power of hashtags. I'm sure you know how easy it is to search for messages on Telegram using the search bar. But when you're searching by word, you could get a lot of garbage, and more often, not something that you're looking for. So here's my recommendation. If you have a chat, a dialogue, a folder where you keep some important data for yourself, or a channel where you write about something, you should use hashtags. They are much easier to find, and you'll thank me later, especially if you're an admin of a channel. Your readers will be over the moon, I guarantee. You can even create a separate document with hashtags that you use, so it'll be even easier to find the information that you need. 6. Silent message. Here's another fascinating trick. If you feel like you want to text someone on Telegram, but it's too late, or you don't want to wake them up or bother them because you're not sure if they put their phone to the silent mode, you can do the following. Write a message, then long tap on the send button and you will get an extra menu where you'll see send without sound. That's it, click on it and the message will be sent without sound. The user who'll receive this message will get a notification with a crossed out bell emoji, which means that the message was sent to them in the silent mode. Android users will get the same notification but without sound, which means that the user won't understand whether you sent them a silent text or not. And next, I have a couple more useful tips for Telegram that you definitely don't know about. So subscribe to the channel right now. It's the best motivation to keep making new content for you. People around. On one Valentine's Day, Telegram introduced a fresh update with a super interesting feature for meeting new people. If you're feeling a bit lonely or want to meet someone new, it's time to try out the Find People Nearby feature. You can find it in the contacts. But where's the very important thing here? I suggest you use location services in Telegram only when you really need it. For example, on iOS you can choose Location On when using the app or Ask Me Next Time. In the People Nearby tab, you can see who's near you and maybe get to know someone that way. There is also a Show Me button. By clicking on it, you will show yourself to everyone who's nearby, which by the way Telegram warns you about. If you have done so, don't forget to turn it off as soon as you don't need it. And the final trick number 8 is folders. This is exactly what you've been probably waiting for since Telegram came out. This feature, unlike some of the previous ones, is available on absolutely all platforms. You can finally sort everything into the right categories. There are both default folder options like bots, channels, and so on, and you can also create your own categories like family, work, etc. We have a separate video on the channel where I'm looking at this feature in detail. If you don't know how to set up folders or want to know even more tricks about them, then welcome. I will leave the link to the video in the description box. And now go to the comments below and let me know what you liked the most and what you didn't. Telegram is full of secrets and brilliant ideas which I will continue to tell you about here. And it's the Teleblog channel. That's all I have. Subscribe and be trendy.